Today I have a Hyundai Kona, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats for more cargo space inside of your Hyundai Kona. Not only am I going to show you how to lay down the rear seats down flat, I'm also going to show you how to put them back into place. All right, so I'm in the back of the Hyundai Kona, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Hyundai Kona. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here. I am going to come up here in the Hyundai Kona, and you'll see there is a latch right here. So this latch right here, I'm going to lift up and pull the seat forward and let that drop down. You see that? And look at all this cargo space right here. Now I'm going to do it for the other side. I'm going to walk around, and I'm going to let you see all the cargo space in here. See, look, more cargo space. I'm going to come to the other side, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Do you see this? I'm going to take my finger, take this right here, lift that, and let it lie down like that. Now look at all this cargo space that I have right here. Now when you're done, all right, before you get done, if you cannot put the seats all the way down, make sure the front seats are pushed forward enough so the seats can go down. So now that this is down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this, I'm going to put it back into place. Make sure the seat belt is not locked back there, and push the seat back and lock it in place. Make sure it's locked in place. I'm going to shut the door, and I'm going to go around to the front of the vehicle, other side of the vehicle, and I'm going to do the same thing. Make sure the seat belt is not behind it. I'm going to take this, push it, wait till it locks into place, just like that. And that is how you fold down and put up the rear seats in the Hyundai Kona. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.